Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Your good name?
Jasmine Kaur.
Jasmine, your?
Ma'am, my name is Vanshika Sekri.
Okay, my name is Radha Sally. Jasmine, your serial number is 51 and Vanchika, your serial number is 52.
Okay.
Jasmine, tell me something about your school.
Okay, teachers are very dedicated here. They are like our parents. My friends are very cooperative, and the atmosphere here is is wonderful. And I never feel that I am out of home. I feel here homely. So.
Okay, good. And Vanchika, tell me something about your family.
I am Vanshika Sekri. My father's name is Mr. Surendra Kumar and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Anita Sekri and she is a housewife. I have one brother and two sisters and I live in a joint family.
Okay. Now, are you people ready with your topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vanchika, Jasmine, you will speak your topic first, and then Vanchika and I will ask some questions about it. Start.
Even after 60 years of independence, illiteracy remains one of the greatest problems of India. It poses a great threat to our progress and development. Illiteracy keeps people chained to ignorance and superstition and is an obstacle in the path of civilization. There are still many people who do not believe in modern medicines and prefer to go to village quacks who give them charms and promises to work miracles. They are not educated themselves, nor do they want to send their children to school. Apart from this, millions drop out of schools every year without acquiring even basic literacy. In many areas, the girl child is not sent to school at all. They do not take part in any family planning program and believe that the more children they have, the more breed earners they will be. We must inculcate in our countrymen an awareness for the need to be literate. Those of us who are fortunate enough to attend school should teach those who do not have this opportunity. Literacy creates consciousness of one's rights and duties. It enables people to be better citizens. Each one teach one should be the motto of every literate person in the country. If people are literate, can do their work for the betterment and progress of the country.
Vanchika, would you like to ask any question to
Yes,
Jasmine?
ma'am. Jasmine, what are the ways we can eradicate illiteracy?
If every literate person teaches every illiterate person, then the problem of illiteracy finally will be eradicated. So,
Jasmine, what are the adverse effects of illiteracy?
first of all, population increases. Illiterate people do not take part in any development of the country, and thirdly, superstitiousness increases.
Good. Okay, Vanchika, are you ready with your topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as you finish your topic, Jasmine will put you some questions and then I'll ask you some questions. Okay, start.
Environmental chemistry plays a major role in environment. Chemical species present in the environment occur naturally or are generated by human beings. Environmental pollution is the effect of the undesirable changes in the surroundings that have harmful effects on human, plants and living beings. Atmospheric pollution is studied as tropospheric and stratospheric pollution. Troposphere is the lowest region of the atmosphere, which is approximately 10 kilometers above the sea level, in which human beings and other organisms exist. Whereas the stratosphere, it is approximately 50 kilometers above the sea level, and ozone layer is the main constituent of the stratosphere. Tropospheric pollution is basically due to the presence of the oxides of sulfur, carbon, nitrogen and halogens, and also due to the particulate matter also. Then 75% of the solar energy is absorbed by the earth and the rest is radiated back. The above mentioned gases trap the heat and result in global warming. It is also very important to realize that it is due to the presence of these gases that the existence of life is possible on the earth, as they absorb the requisite amount of the heat energy which is responsible for the life on the earth. And the many chemical products which we are using are really producing harmful effects which are leading to the ozone layer depletion, and they are producing an ozone hole which is really very harmful for Earth, as the ozone hole brings in the ultraviolet rays which cause the mutation of genes.
Good. Jasmine, would you please ask any question?
Vanshika, define environmental pollution.
Environmental pollution is the effect of the undesirable changes in the surroundings that have harmful effects on plants, animals and human beings.
What strategies do you suggest for controlling environmental pollution?
The various strategies, ma'am, are the waste management, adopting the various ways in our day-to-day life which we can reduce the environment, and also the new process, that is the green chemistry, which is really in its infancy.
Yeah, okay. Now, as we finish with the first part of our session, the second part is I will give you a problem. You both have to discuss about it and tell me the solution of it. Okay? The problem is, if a student of your class is unable to speak in English, how will you help him out? This is your problem. You discuss it and give me the solution for it.
We can help them in translating
vocabulary,
basic grammar, extra coaching. Extra coaching for words
extra coaching for the lessons करने vocabulary improve और इंग्लिश से करके
Extra coaching, translating, helping
vocabulary improve basic rules of grammar important words translate
conversing in Hindi
Are you ready with your answer? You can tell me the answer.
We can give him extra coaching, help him in his lessons.
vocabulary improve
You can improve
his
his.
We can also help him translate the words.
Conversation converse with him in English
You can converse with him in English.
And giving him and also improving his basic concepts in the grammar.
yes.
Very good. Thank you, Vidya.